Hello again, folks. So I thought I would attempt another out of a package pick. This is £3.50 Dekton Iron padlock. Let's have a look what it says on the back. It's only got a score out of 7 for starters and it gives it a 4. There we go. That's all you got for brass cylinder, locking mechanism. Well, that's just a core, isn't it, in the Bible? So we'll see. How did this happen? Well, I went to fuel up one day and the queue in the garage was quite long and this was on the side and I can't help myself and I was there too long. I ended up buying one. Simple as that, really. I'm weak. I see locks and I'm weak. So that's a bit on the key. If anybody cares, I don't really care. We're just going to go in. That's for keyway. So let's put that away. Find the tensioner what fits. That's sloppy. Go a bit thicker. It's not too bad. I wonder if there's anything better though. No. No. Okay. Right. Tensioner found. Danger field number 4. Extended tension bar. I've got some movement on the core already. So I've already pulled out a selection of custom picks. We've got some Papa Smith, some Rob Lawn and some Rune Smith. I do kind of like this, so we'll have a little play with this. Yeah, sometimes these cheaper lots can actually be a bit more challenging because they are so shit. Other times you might get another nice surprise and actually find something quite good. Whoops. There we go. That's quite a good pick. I'll come back to that maybe. Let's have a little feel around with this one. It's always good to try different picks. Sometimes locks what I like. I feel like I keep dropping something on this. course, we didn't actually test it to see if it works, but no matter. I've got a bit of movement there on the core. I've just pumped up the tension a little bit, and I'm just double checking all the pins. There seems to be some more definite clicks as opposed to dropping lots all the time. That's a bit more movement. There we go. We got it. Yeah, so that's quite interesting. Nothing really happening much on the medium tension. Once you crank it up a bit to medium hard, we got a bit more going on. So let's just make sure it all works fine, as it does. It's got quite a nice popper now, actually. So that is the Dekton Iron padlock for £3.50 over garage. Picked eventually with a Papa Smurf custom pick and the Dangerfield extended tension bar number 4. So I'm going to throw in another random giveaway. I'll keep this one going for a week. If you want to win this lock, it's been on the keys. This is open to everybody. I just would appreciate it if you were a subscriber. If you wanted to enter, common courtesy, I would have thought it doesn't cost you anything anyway. So all you have to do, if you want to win this lock, it's open to anyone in the world. All you have to do is put down in the comments, I feel lucky. I'll leave a pinned example in the comments. So yeah, if you want to win this, leave a comment saying I feel lucky. Separate giveaway. I'll leave it running for 1 week, and this is just for anybody and everybody, really. So come and have a go. Join in, get involved. That's it for now, folks. Till next time. Take care. Bye bye.